Hey everybody, Chad Perkins here with you from Kightlinger Motors and Coudersport. Just wanted to apparently invite little Chad back.
Well, everybody said they wanted to see the dummy and little Chad again.
Well, absolutely. Wait, what?
Never mind. Question.
Yes.
What if I wanted to extend the life of my radiator, engine, and water pump while also ensuring the health of my brakes?
Well, that's a great question, and the answer to that question is, well, you get it flushed at Kightlinger Motors and Coudersport with our special this month, which is normally $264.95, but the special this month is how much?
$229.99.
Well, there are restrictions though. What are those?
Well, we can't do diesels at that price or large trucks and some foreign manufacturers.
They just cost a little more, right?
Right, you just have to call us and we'll tell you.
Yeah, that's Kightlinger.com, or call us at, what's that number? 1-800-477-5277. Have a great day, everybody.
Bam!
Bam! Bam!